Hey everyone, welcome to Tech Helpline. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through an easy step-to-step process on how to reset your Chase online banking account's password. Watch the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Start off by opening Apple web browser of your choice. Into the web address bar, type in www.chase.com and press enter on your keyboard. You'll end up in the official web page of Chase Bank. Click on the sign in button in order to log in to your account. You'll need to enter your username and your password to log in and get access to your online banking account. But in case you don't remember your password for your account or your username, then you can click on Forgot Username/Password link beneath the sign in button. To get access to your account, you'll need to confirm your identity. Type in your social security number or your tax ID number that has been registered during the sign in process. Once you are done, head over to the next field and type in your account number, your card number, or your application number in the text box. If you don't have a social security number, you can click on Don't have a social security number and follow the on-screen prompts. Finally, click on the next button and you'll receive further instructions on resetting your password for your Chase online banking account. That is how you can easily reset your password or recover your account if you ever forget your credential during logging in to Chase Bank. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.